Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, RetroSusie. I'm Susie. And we have our flip through of our Paper Terrace Dollar Tree Challenge, Paper Terrace Junk Journal, Paper Terrace Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge 2024, using $20 worth of items from the Dollar Tree. And here's my final version of my journal. So I made the cover out of a paper bag that was a gift bag that we cut up. I used one of the handles from a smaller gift bag as a little bit of embellishment here, and we had some plastic beads that I used to make the dangle, tied it on with another one of the little smaller bag handles, and coffee dyed, and also dyed with some leftover fabric dye, some other pages, some papers that we had, and some tulle, some sparkly tulle, and sewed some pages together to make some pockets. Used some cute little book pages, and yeah, another one of the gift bags. But what I did realize was that a lot of the papers are do kind of tear easier than the papers that I'm used to. So I did notice that they weren't as, even though I just use like regular copy paper, I did notice that these tend to kind of, you know, the paper just wasn't as sturdy as paper that I'm used to working with. But it was a really fun, I mean, I had so much fun working on this, and I was really surprised. There was a lot of, I mean, this cardstock, I didn't use as much of it because it was in unusual sizes and stuff, but I was really surprised at see, I just ripped that at how much cardstock you got, although they were, you know, kind of unusual little sizes. And if I would have spent more time, you know, I could have made like more tags and stuff like that. But I just kind of wanted it to be a simple style journal. And I did realize that they have a lot of cute little pages like this that have cute little sayings that I really liked. So I did discover a lot of stuff that Dollar Tree has that I realized there's a lot of stuff that I could use for junk journaling. And I do like the little books that they have. But yeah, it was fun. Put my little logo in there. But yeah, it was a really fun project, and thanks to Jessica at Paper Terrace for doing it. And yeah, I really had fun with it. So thanks a lot, and thanks for watching.